Hey everyone, welcome back to CarsInfo. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of performance cars with the 2024 BMW M8. Known for its blend of luxury and power, the M8 continues BMW's legacy of creating ultimate driving machines. Let's explore what makes this latest model so special. First impressions count, and the 2024 BMW M8 doesn't disappoint. The sleek, aggressive lines and aerodynamic curves of the M8 make it a head-turner on any road. With its low stance and distinctive BMW kidney grille, this car exudes both elegance and athleticism. Beneath the hood, the 2024 BMW M8 packs a serious punch. It's powered by a specify engine type, e.g., twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine that produces an impressive mentioned horsepower and torque figures, e.g., 617 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse can propel the M8 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just mentioned acceleration time, e.g., 3.0 seconds, ensuring thrilling acceleration that's sure to get your adrenaline pumping. Inside, the M8 offers a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Premium materials like leather upholstery and carbon fiber accents create a sophisticated atmosphere. The cockpit is driver-focused, with intuitive controls and a customizable digital instrument cluster. Tech-savvy features include a large touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, smartphone integration, and a premium audio system for an immersive driving experience. In conclusion, the 2024 BMW M8 is a masterpiece of engineering that combines breathtaking performance with luxurious comfort and advanced technology. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling winding roads, the M8 delivers an exhilarating driving experience like no other. What do you think of the new BMW M8? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on CarsInfo.